Chapter 4 Sound of Vowel E. Super readers, welcome to another fun class. Today we will learn the short E sound. The short E sound. Let's read some words that have the short E sound. Egg words. Peg, leg, keg, egg. Well done. Next. N words. Pen, hen, ten, den. Excellent. L words. Fell, cell, bell, well. Great reading. Et words. Net, wet, pet, jet. Amazing. Read and say aloud. We, he, me, she, she, tea, pea. Fed, bed, led, red, wed, zed, ted. Sent, bent, lent, rent, sent, tent, went. Fear, beer, dear, near, here, dear, where. Great job, kids.